What is object-oriented programming?
Object-oriented programming, often called OOP, is a way of organizing and writing computer programs. Instead of focusing solely on functions and logic, OOP groups code and data together into reusable blueprints known as objects. This style helps developers manage complexity, build larger applications, and make code easier to understand and maintain.
Understanding objects and classes.
In OOP, a class is like a blueprint that defines the structure and behavior of data, while an object is an actual instance created from that blueprint. For example, a class might define what a car is, and each car you create is an object. Objects can have properties like color or model, and methods, which are actions they can perform.
Encapsulation, bundling data and methods.
Encapsulation is the practice of keeping an object's data and the methods that operate on that data together, hiding internal details from outside code. This means you interact with objects only through well-defined interfaces, making programs safer and easier to work with by preventing unintended changes to internal data.
Inheritance, reusing and extending code.
Inheritance allows one class to adopt features from another class, promoting code reuse and organization. For example, a sports car class can inherit from a general car class, automatically getting its properties and methods while adding or changing features. This helps reduce repetition and simplifies updates across related classes.
Polymorphism, flexible and interchangeable objects.
Polymorphism means that different objects can be used in place of one another, even if they are built from different classes, as long as they share common methods. This allows developers to write flexible code that can work with different types of objects, making applications more adaptable and easier to expand.
Why object-oriented programming matters.
Object-oriented programming helps developers build larger, more reliable, and more maintainable software. By structuring code around objects and following the principles of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, OOP encourages clear organization, reduces duplication, and makes code easier to update or expand as needs change.